Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this recording, we'll demonstrate the new option that we have in pocket and in pocket recognition of fixture collision protection and cut only the rest material. Now, if I were to show you the part that I have on my screen, we actually have it with two setups. Our first setup is showing 4 clamps, and our second setup, you can see in my configuration, is showing it with 2 clamps over here. So now let's go into our pocket operation with our first setup. If I go into the pocket operation, I'll define my geometry being this pocket over here, where the clamp, these 2 clamps that are over here, are actually interfering with the geometry itself. I'll just accept that. And what I'm going to do is use the option of fixture collision protection and cut only rest material. Now, the fixture collision protection will allow us to actually work around the fixture. I'm going to just choose a tool right now. I'm going to choose a 12mm end mill. And we have our levels, setting that at this depth over here. And in my technology, I'm just going to choose my open pocket option of use profile strategy. Let's do save and calculate. And as you can see, it's starting to do our toolpath calculation. And if we take a look at the actual toolpath, you see it's actually working its way around the clamps. If we were to go into our simulation, you'll see that the pocket is being done, but the clamps are being avoided, and this is the material that's being left over for the next operation. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this operation and copy it, and I'm going to paste it right after my setup 2. Now let's just open up the operation for a moment, and I'll just remind you now that in our geometry, we also check the option of cut only rest material. So now, because we're working on our second setup, which only has 2 clamps on the side, the rest material is the area which was underneath these clamps over here. So it'll only cut now just that material. All I'm going to do now is do save and calculate. And if we take again a look at our solid verify simulation, you'll see that the tool will only work in those areas over there, working only on the rest material. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.